Apple CarPlay is a simple and smart way to use your iPhone in your vehicle. The new Chevrolet MyLink system with the 7-inch diagonal touch screen is now compatible with Apple CarPlay. To start, connect your compatible iPhone to the MyLink system using the USB cable that came with the phone. Your iPhone must be unlocked when you connect. The system automatically recognizes it's an Apple CarPlay device and changes the projection icon to Apple CarPlay. Or, if you go to Settings and turn on USB Auto Launch, Apple CarPlay will launch automatically when the iPhone is connected. Apple CarPlay projects selected iPhone apps from your phone on the touchscreen, so you can listen to music, make calls, send and receive text messages, and get directions straight from your iPhone, all while driving and keeping your eyes on the road. Not every app on your iPhone is enabled for CarPlay, but many popular ones are. You can go to the Apple CarPlay website to see the supported apps. If you want to use one of the listed apps, go to the App Store on your iPhone and download it. Now, to use an app, just tap the icon, such as Phone, and Siri automatically comes up and asks what you would like to do.
Who would you like to call?
Angela Douglas.
Calling Angela Douglas.
You can tap N to end the call and tap the home screen button to return to the CarPlay home screen. Siri can also read messages you receive and help you send a reply without taking your eyes off the road.
Siri, text Angela Douglas.
Okay, what do you want to say to Angela Douglas?
Let's do lunch.
From here, you can choose to edit the message, cancel it, or send it.
Send.
Okay, I'll send it.
You can also use a long press on the push-to-talk button to ask Siri for help. Getting directions is a snap too. Simply ask Siri to find an address or destination.
Find a nearby park.
You can pick a destination and then it will map your route. Tap Start to hear the directions.
Starting route to Robinwood Park.
By tapping the Music app or using a long press on the push-to-talk button, you can tell Siri to play a song, artist, genre, or iTunes Radio, just as you would on the phone.
Siri, play pop rock.
The Music app is simple and familiar since it uses the same menu icons that you see on your iPhone. You can also ask Siri for information, such as recent sports scores or the weather forecast.
What's the weather in Detroit?
Today, the temperature will range between 70 degrees and 84 degrees.
While you're using CarPlay, you can press the Radio Home button to access the infotainment menus and settings. Just tap the CarPlay icon to switch back to the CarPlay home screen.